Alright guys, welcome back to the Square One Speed channel, and this is day 2 of putting new parts on the Honda. So we got a couple of special things to put on today. I've been waiting for these for a couple weeks now, but first one, new seat cover. Thanks to Jason Conti over at 4Works. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but he sent this to me probably 30 bucks cheaper than you can usually make them on their website, but got it to me real quick, at least a week turnaround from making it and sending it to me from Big Bend, Wisconsin. And we're gonna go ahead and put that on today. But beyond the new seat cover, we also have new wheels and tires. I've been a fan of these ITP hole shots for a long time. I don't know if anybody else's experience with them, but I love these things. These are the MXR 6s. And they came mounted already on a pair of DW3 beadlocks. So I got these as an entire setup from ATV Galaxy. Now they have an eBay store. They don't really have a website per se, but those guys hooked me up with a nice set for actually a pretty good price. An entire package of wheels and tires already mounted, sent to me, and it only took them, I think, I want to say 6 days to get to me, 7 days, something like that. Not too bad. Anyway, considering what's going on. They're over in Irvine, California. If you guys can look them up, these guys will hook you up with some sweet deals. They definitely have some of the best packages I've seen around. So let's take a quick look at the bike as it sits, and then I'll show you guys after getting the old seat cover off and the new wheels and tires on, what this thing looks like after. Let's get to it. This is the part I always hate. Pulling staples. It's tedious, but it's worth it. It's gonna look so much better. If you guys are pulling staples, best thing to do is just try to get a really pointy flathead screwdriver and get it underneath those staples and just start lifting them. It doesn't matter if you get the whole thing out or not. Just lift a corner of it, and then you can come back later with these needle nose and pull them. If you want to try to save the old seat cover, ooh, that one's stuck. Try your best not to puncture holes through it. I did a couple times, but I don't really plan on keeping it, so to be continued. All right, everybody, that took a lot longer than it should have. And I've never done a Honda before, but oh my God, it looks so good. This red and black is really starting to grow on me. That is light years better than it was earlier. Again, thanks Jason Conti for the Foreworks seat cover. Looks great, fits great. Wasn't too bad. Took me a lot longer than I thought to get it on there, but now I've got it nice and straight and tight, so. And there they are. Douglas DW3 bead locks and your ITP hole shots. Again, I'm a huge fan of these tires. I ran them on an LTR I had, but now we're gonna see how they last on this 450. Yeah, what do you guys think? All right, so thanks everybody for watching. If you guys tune in, the next video should be a ride video I have coming up this Saturday, and I'll be going out with a couple buddies. We'll be exploring the area and having a good time. So if you guys like what you saw, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, hit the bell. Not sure what that really does, but hit it anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.